All right, I'm going to go over a video on how to purchase Cardano. So I'm going to do it two different ways. First, I'm going to launch Binance. And what I'm going to do is go to my wallet here, and I need to deposit some US dollar. So Binance.us has a maximum allowed of $1,000. If I try to do 1,001, see it says 1,000 is the maximum. So I'm going to go for 1,000. Preview deposit, and I'm going to go ahead and deposit. Confirm. Deposit successful. So now I'm going to go to my wallet, and so now if I go over here, I'm going to use ADA, which is Cardano, to USD. Yeah, we'll say 260. So let's go by limit 260. The amount of ADA I want to spend, let's just hit 100%, which is my $1,000, and I'm going to hit place by order. So now while that one's in there, you can see the orders right there pending. It's an open order. So now I'm going to go over to Coinbase Pro, and let's walk through making that purchase. So again, we're going to head over to our wallet. I need a deposit, and I'm going to deposit USD. So I'm going to do a bank transfer, and let's choose which account I want to use, and I want to put in, let's say, $4,000, and I'm going to preview. So now I have 4,000, trade immediately, confirm. There we go, 4,000 has been deposited. Let's go back to our portfolio here. We want to purchase. So there's ADA from USD. So I want to buy, and it's going to be a limit order just like the other one. So we're going to say 260, and I'm going to hit max. So $4,000. Let's go ahead and preview order. I always change this to post only, and we'll hit place by order. There we go, order placed. So if we head back to Binance, we'll just have to wait for actually that cross down the price. Once it drops below, then it should execute. That's it. Yeah, hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and feel free to subscribe if you'd like to be notified if any future videos are posted. Thanks for your support.